Hello and welcome to the Cloud Therapist channel. I'm Richard Simon. Today I'm covering the Cloud Expo Show in London and we are going back to the cloud. Okay, so I'm here at the Aqua stand. Have I been here before? I can't remember. Maybe I've been here before, but they do have their lovely DeLorean, so I thought we'll have a little bit of a conversation with Aqua and see what they're up to at the moment. How are you doing?
Very well, thank you, Richard. How are you today?
Excellent, good. So what's your name, and can you give us like your sort of name and title and things like that? What are you up to at Aqua?
Sure, so my name's Daroush Lake, and I'm the Regional Director for the UK at Aqua. And we're here at Cloud Expo, having a great time with our DeLorean today.
Yeah, fantastic. I think you're getting a lot of coverage on that, which is great. So that's a really great idea. So just give me a little bit kind of update on where is the sort of the space that you guys are in, the DevSecOps space and things like that. What kind of trends have you sort of seen lately?
Absolutely. So the DevSecOps space has really been evolving over the last few years. There's several challenges. One of the biggest ones is the need to move quickly for developers, but also be secure. So that's one of the things that we hear really often is, how do we secure our software development without slowing down our developers? And we're seeing a convergence of that along with cloud security. So how do we protect our applications once they're in the cloud? And that's something that we do in a really unique and innovative way at Aqua.
Fantastic. And are you guys kind of looking at that overall space in terms of something that will maybe consolidate in the future, where the tools that the likes of Aqua kind of offer would be able to cover all of that space? Because obviously that makes it easier for customers to have kind of one throat to choke, one interface to work on.
Absolutely, you've nailed it. And from our perspective, that is now, that's today. So one of the biggest challenges is having all these different tools and trying to protect your application from code all the way through to the cloud, and we do that. So we have one unified platform that allows you to do that.
Fantastic. Okay, so we can't have a conversation without talking about AI, right? So artificial intelligence everywhere, lots of sort of consumer coverage on it and so on. So just interested in kind of your take on what's happening in that space. Is that something that the DevSecOps space can actually focus on in the future as well?
Absolutely, the rise of AI, really interesting. From our perspective, there's two key areas. There's leveraging AI within your platform, and we are looking to do that as well. There's also securing AI. So a lot of the time we're hearing from customers and prospects is, how can we secure our AI, our large language models? So that's another area that we can support customers with. So, but yeah, absolutely, it's an interesting space, and we're going to see much more of that.
Fantastic. Okay, and what's Aqua sort of up to for the rest of the year? What are you guys up to? What's going on
for the rest of the year? So watch this space on AI, as you've just mentioned. That is one. I think one of the key things is actually the massive rise in the use of containers. So I'm really now seeing that scale exponentially increase. So I think there were some Gartner statistics around, we were at a tipping point 2 years ago, and now something like 95% of all new cloud native applications are being built on containers. So really we're starting to see the market come towards us and say, look, we need to secure these containers now. Just getting visibility isn't enough anymore, just understanding what's out there. We actually need to be able to protect them. Another key trend that I think we're going to see more of is AI leveraged in attacks. That's one area that our threat research team is starting to see as well. And also the use of really advanced malware like fileless execution malware, which you really need to be able to detect and stop. So I think there are a few different trends that we'll see.
Right, excellent. Okay, well, I really appreciate your time. I think it's been very useful, and I hope you guys have much continued success.
Thank you so much. Thanks for stopping by. Good to see you, Richard.
Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel to support me. You may also want to check out some of the other videos on this channel. Bye for now.